Well, hey, Ron here at, behind me is, of course, Lucy the elephant. I do a lot of flights here, and I'm out here today with the little DJI Neo 2, the latest generation of DJI's little kind of selfie drone here. But you know what? We're not going to fly it selfie style today. We're going to fly it with the DJI RCN3 controller, the controller that comes with the bundle. If you order you get everything bundle, the drone, the three batteries, the module, and so on. And the controller, this controller comes with it. So yeah, we're going to try that controller today. And you can see, I'm doing a screen recording here. You can see my screen. I got 20 some satellites. People said that this drone was slow to get satellites, but they pop right up as soon as I turn the drone on. So maybe I'm at the maybe Lucy provides a lot of satellites. Who knows? But I didn't have any trouble with slow satellites. So you see, we got 96 on the battery. It was 100, but it just it goes from 100 to 96 without doing much of anything here. So we've got screen recording going, recording audio with the iPhone here, no microphone or anything. So no interference. A lot of people think that wireless mics cause all this interference. And we're in pro mode down here, but I'm going to turn it to Dr. Auto here, and histogram looks good. Maybe we'll take it down to -3 here. Yeah, I like that -3. Usually these things, they put these real wide apertures on these drones so they're good at nighttime, but then they're a little bit too overexposed during daylight. And I got pretty kind of partly sunny conditions here, or maybe partly cloudy, so it's a little bit overcast. I'm not going to have too much problem with overbearing sun today here. And winds, 8-mile-per-hour winds with 13-mile-per-hour gusts, so should be good for like what a level 5 wind resistance drone like this here. So with no further ado, let's get this bird up there. And I even see, you see the little microphone besides the play button. I've already started recording. That's new. I've never seen that little recording button showing my peaking level. So there we go. So I've been jibber jabbing for 2 minutes. So you see my histogram looks good over here, and we're kind of I did the safety. So I'm not gonna bore you with the safety stuff. I looked at everything. We're good on the safety menu. So here we go. And of course, this
Take
is
up home point updated.
And this is a what do you call we checked before you fly. There's no flight restrictions to any type of. We're in class class G airspace here, so we're good to go here. Lucy's not certified for no flight, so we're good here today. So let's take the one of the things I've heard about this drone, it's much improved as far as flying ability from the Neo 1. I mean, we'll get all that palm stuff later on. I mean, I know it's going to do the palm stuff well because I've seen it a million times as the first one did it. Let's see if it's improved the flyer, and let's see if it's improved camera wise. So let's go up here and get Lucy in the frame here. So she's still kind of noisy, I don't know if you could hear her first, maybe a little bit quieter than the other one, but not a whole lot. Okay. So there we go. We got Lucy here. We've got our 4/3 down there. So the water tower behind us there. So let's kind of Marcus Crawford up and out of here. Droney shot. So it's kind of moving slow. It's in we got it in normal mode here. So yeah, it's not too fast. You see it down there, doing about 18 miles per hour. So there we go. Let's come back in here. Come back in. What do we got? Oh, we got it pretty high here for this little drone. Okay, let's bring that drone down. I haven't played my Gain Expo settings at all, so okay, it's right above me now. Let's maybe do a little orbit around Lucy or something for giggles. I think this has some pretty good features in here. So let's go a little bit higher here, bring the gimbal up. Okay, so now we're about 90 feet. Okay, let's stop this recording here. Start recording. Okay, she's moving pretty fast now. Okay, not doing bad. See the little indicator there that she's got Lucy as a target. So yeah, not good, pretty good. It's moving. She's moving fast now, and I can still control the. No, I can't control the gimbal. I thought I controlled the gimbal, but I can't. Okay. All right. She put herself in, well, okay, she seems to be moving faster. Okay, now, this won't, I think it just keeps going. It doesn't stop after one. Oh, yeah, right down on Lucy. Moves the gimbal for you. Alrighty. Start the video recording here. Okay. So let's get a little height here. We're about 75 feet, right? Okay, we'll go out to the beach here. See what's going on down at the beach. All 4/3 going there. So yeah, out here towards the rock jetty here. When they did beach replenishment 5 years ago, or even more at this point, they kind of cover all the rock jetties. The last rock jetty that's still left that I know of in Margate. See, look there, the birds flew away. The noisy drone. I hope it didn't scare those poor birds. So there you go. You know what? Let's make and I'm trying to first flight, just trying to show you, what you can do with this little drone. Okay, and it has the 4 transmission system, so we should get pretty good range. Of course, line of sight, of course. Look, all the birds.
Battery level is low.
Uh-oh.
Aircraft will return to the home point in 10 seconds.
We're gonna let it return to home on its own. I forgot this doesn't have much flight time. I did a whole bunch
return
of
to home
stuff already. So let's see how it does on the return to home. See if it. I didn't put a pad down or anything. We'll see if it lands back on the picnic table again. And I can't do anything with the controls. Like I can't change the yaw or anything here. Can I change gimbal? I can change gimbal, but I can't change anything else. Okay, so it's trying to come home. Low battery. She's coming. Slow but sure. You see the battery meter is 28%, kind of, in the orange going to the red. Okay, here it comes over the beach buildings here to the deck at the Lucy Grill here, and here she comes. She's still kind of up there. She's bringing height down here. Now I thought this had that green line return to home thing, but I probably was wrong. Maybe not with the controller. You watch people fly this so many different ways with flying out of their hand, flying with the phone, flying with the goggles. All right, so it's coming down here. You can see it lower the camera. And, I don't have that little drone shadow thing, but it's looking good. Yeah, it's looking good. It's going to hit the table right where it took off from. All righty. And I'm going to get back in the frame here. Yeah, it's going to hit that table.
Low battery. Return to home promptly.
Yeah, we are returning to home. Land. I guess I got to tell it to land by bringing it just stood there.
Landing.
It just hung in the air there and didn't move until I pushed the downward stick. Okay, so that's our first flight with the little DJI Neo 2. First flight with any type or whatever, but the first flight was with the DJI and controller here, and we did, like I said, screen recording, shot some videos, shot some photos. We're down to 15% on landing, but it was basically around 20% when it didn't want to land on the table for whatever reason, even though it landed perfectly safely on the table. Okay. At the end of this part of the video is probably part of a bigger video, but if not, this is Ron from Ron Brown's YouTube channel, where we cover a lot of drones, tech gear, and photography type of things. So videography also. So please subscribe if you're not already a member. Ring the bell, and we'll see you in the next one, folks.